Hey everyone, Roland here and welcome to another episode of On the Bayou Outdoor TV. This one here's a good one for you. This was during the ice storm at my place where I hunt in North Louisiana. Lots of ducks, lots of great shooting. And if y'all haven't, please like and subscribe to my channel so you'll stay up to date on all my videos coming on. Enough of this, man, let's get to that YouTube video. Well, I'll be. Coming in. Hell yeah, boy. Hey, I got y'all smoked them spoonies, son.
That's fun, brother. Hell yeah.
As y'all can tell by seeing some of the videos y'all seen before, it was very cold up there. We were frozen solid. We were shooting them ducks on top of the ice. Shot lots of teal. We shot spoonbills. We shot mallards. We shot pintails. We shot widgeon. Up close, personal. Just a good hunt, man. I mean, that ice storm actually pushed some ducks down to Louisiana, and we seen them. We had a great hunt. Y'all keep on watching. More to come.
Oh, I only had one shell. Oh my god. He's right here on the right. Kill him! Come out front.
Crime scene. After the ice storm, 36 down. All them ducks dry food. All them ducks dry food. The ice storm of 2026. Here's the third hunt on the video where we were watching ducks 2 days prior to when we hunted this. Then we're in a dry field on the east side, then on the west side we have a little bit of water. But here's some fast-paced teal shooting with about 15 geese in it, snows and specks. And we also shot a couple mallards and pintails in there. Watch this part of it, very good too.
Kill him, boys. Look in the front. Yeah, feel the vibration.